Hey you guys, welcome back. Long time no talk. It is so nice to talk to you guys again. I hope you guys have all been well and taking care of yourselves. I have missed you oh so much. Today's video is going to be a birthday party prep video for my little Luna. She turned 3 last month, so I will be sharing with you guys how I accomplished all of this. So we are starting off by doing the balloon garland. I love to do the balloon garlands. I feel like you can get really creative with them. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my balloon garlands, let me know down below and I will be more than happy to film that for you guys. But if you already do them for your own parties, I really suggest you guys buy this balloon pump off of Amazon. I will try to see if it's still in stock, and if it is, I'll link it down below. But this thing saves so much time, and I just fly by when I blow the balloons with that thing. So little Miss Luna decided for a little unicorn theme. I let her pick it out, and this is what she went for. So all the girly things. And since we didn't have a birthday party for her, we kept it very minimal, just us. I just decorated the dining room. Usually we will decorate the patio area, but since it still gets pretty cold here at night, we just did it in the dining room. And here I am getting help from my husband to put up her backdrop, and then I attached the balloon garland with some string on the wall. So once I had the backdrop and the balloon garland all together, this is what it ended up turning out like, and I just love it. I feel like balloons just add so much to decoration. It's just gorgeous. So then I am moving on to her Pinata, and like I said, since it was only us and her siblings, I just got this little Pinata and I started to do little treat bags and then filled it up with candy. So if you guys have seen any of my previous party prep videos, then you guys will see that I have really enjoyed making my kids birthday cakes. It's so fun, honestly, to just get creative and, be I don't know. And I just feel like, honestly, homemade cakes are so much better and taste so much better, but that's just my personal preference. So here I am just mixing all the different color frostings that I'm using. I had already baked the cake the night before and I did not film that, but again, I'm not a pro, okay, so I literally am self-taught. I just practice makes perfect. So I'm just mixing all the colors that I was gonna put on her cake, and I just used regular old frosting and food coloring off of Amazon. And then once I have my colors all mixed, I add them into the piping bags, and these are also from Amazon. Honestly, everything I use to make my cakes is off of Amazon, and I will try to link as much as I can for you guys down below, just in case you guys are feeling bold and want to make your own birthday cakes for your little ones as well. like I said, I had baked the night before all the cakes, and I want to say I made 3 cakes and then just stacked them. And then these little unicorn ears are also from Amazon. And then I just went on my phone and I googled unicorn cake, and I used that as my inspo, and then I just kind of freehand it from there. I just kind of started placing little swirls just randomly, and then you'll see that I'll go in with different colors to like in between. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. I feel like you just have to be bold, like I said, and just go for it. And you guys, it'll really probably turn out a lot nicer than you think. I mean, I don't know, I've just really enjoyed making their cakes, and it's fun for me. So once I had all the frosting on there, I wanted to add like some glittery sprinkles on top. So I added these, and then if I felt like it needed more, they weren't really standing out that much for me. So then I went in and with these more bright, colorful sprinkles and added those on top. So next I snuck away from Luna and I started to wrap her gifts. Like I said, since we didn't have anything planned for her, we didn't have a big birthday party for her or family over, just my mom came over, but since I knew that we weren't going to have family over, I purchased quite a bit of gifts for her. She deserves it, and she's my only little girl, so I like to spoil her. So here I am just wrapping some of her gifts for her, and I'm loving all this unicorn theme birthday stuff. So then I started to place everything together on her little birthday table, and everything just came together so nicely, so beautifully, and for it just being us to celebrate her, I feel like it was just perfect, and she was so happy when she saw everything. So this is how everything turned out, and I love it. It's perfect for my little girl. So this is her little birthday celebration setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little welcome back video, if you will. I will be uploading more frequently now since I am back. Hopefully, let's hope that I maintain the schedule. But if there's any video suggestions that you guys would like to see, please let me know down below, and I will be more than happy to film any of those for you guys. So like I said, it's so nice to be back. I am happy to be filming again, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Oh, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.